Good morning. Thank you. Good to be here. Always good to be here. I appreciate that. Thank you, everyone, for listening. This is Dollars and Cents with Christine, where we make sense of your dollars. Today, I'm wearing my IRS hat. It's very fashionable, don't you know? My IRS hat. If you or someone you know is aggrieved by the IRS, word of the day, aggrieved, please call me. You can call me directly or send me a text at 737-234-0196. That's 737-234-0196. You will go straight to my voicemail. Please leave me a message and I will call you back. And again, you can also send me a text. So I will get back in touch with you. I absolutely promise. Or you can also send me an email directly, Christine@ChristineStevensonEA.com. Christine is with a K, Stevenson is with a V, or you can go straight to my website of the same name, ChristineStevensonEA.com. In the upper right-hand corner, there's a big green button that says Free Strategy Session. Click on that button. You will be redirected to my calendar where you can pick a day and time that is convenient to your schedule. We'll meet for 30 minutes. I'll give you a call and we'll talk about your tax issues or the person that you know that has tax issues. This is a free service that I offer everyone and I encourage you to take advantage of it. Tax season is over for the most part, but I deal with tax issues all year long. So today, as I said, I'm here in my capacity as an enrolled agent. An enrolled agent is a tax law specialist. I am licensed to represent any individual or business on any tax matter before the IRS. An audit, an appeal. You get those annoying CP 2000 letters that say, hey, we think you owe more tax because you didn't report all your income on your tax return this year. Those letters are going to start coming out around September of this year for this current filing season. So I can help you answer those CP 2000 letters. Sometimes it's super simple. All you need to do is resubmit a particular form or a piece of information to the IRS and boom, your tax issue goes away. I did that hundreds and hundreds of times at with my time at the IRS down in Austin. So I can help you out. If you'd like to hire me, that means you don't have to deal with the IRS anymore. I will do it for you. You don't have to wait on hold on the phone. I will wait on hold for you. And that means you don't have to negotiate or speak to the IRS in any way, shape, or form on your tax issue because that's what I will do for you. I will speak to the IRS for you. And I want to give you just a quick example. I am working with a restaurant owner down in Gerald. They have some payroll tax issues. And yesterday, I spent a total of 5 hours talking with or waiting on hold for the IRS. So I'm asking gentlemen here in the studio and my listening audience, how many of you have 5 hours a day to spend with the IRS?
No freaking way.
Right. And so I'm assuming most of you out there, the answer is no way. So that's what I do. I'm not just on hold. I am working during that time, but I'm waiting on hold. I have special lines as a practitioner. That's even with priority phone lines, and I'm on hold that long. So the story of this restaurant owner, May 3rd, when I contacted the IRS on his behalf, he hired me. At the time, he owed $121,734 in payroll tax issues. So if you're a business owner, you can appreciate that that's a fair amount of money. And even as a non-business owner, I'm sure you can appreciate that $121,734 to the IRS is a lot of money. So some paperwork got submitted and processed. And now, as of yesterday, that balance is down to $59,429.54. It's about half. So half of that, boom, has gone away. Of that remaining balance, I know I can get another $17,683, boom, wiped out once I'm able to get to the right person in the correct department and have an opportunity to gently persist and speak IRSEs to that individual on the phone. Yes, Matt, a question from the listening audience.
I know you. You're talking. You're
Yes.
speaking. And
Yes.
I got goose pimples because I realized you actually can do it.
Yes, I can. I got a call from a gentleman. I've spoken with him 2 or 3 times. He lives in North Carolina. He hired another giant tax resolution company whose name I will not mention. And he's paid them a total of $5,000 so far this year and literally has gotten no information from this company on the status of his case with the IRS. They only call to ask him for another $1,000. We need another $1,000 payment in order to keep moving forward with your case. So he called me and talked to me and says, what can I do? What can I do? And I said, well, I don't know how that tax company operates. I know how I operate and what I can do for you. But my suggestion is next time they call, say, before I give you another $1,000, tell me what the status of my case is. Where am I at? Is the IRS giving me more time to get the issue under control? What's the hard date that I have to respond by? So those were just a couple of suggestions I gave to him. Long story short, he said, forget that, and he hired me this weekend, and so now he and I are in the process of getting paperwork done, and he's giving me some money to get the ball rolling. So this tax that I'm going to be able to get removed, $17,683, the issue is it's already been paid. It's there. I have verification that the tax has been paid, but it's hung up internally within the IRS. And that's very hard to prove if you don't know how the IRS works, their systems, the things that they have at their fingertips. So I'm able to talk to them and tell the person on the phone, look here in this section under this in the computer, literally go here on this screen and take a look at this. I think the issue is a duplicate return has been filed and somehow it's hanging up in the IRS system. They're saying he owes this $17,683, and I know for a fact that he doesn't. Again, that's how I can help him. And then after that, there's a good chance I'll be able to get another $7,000 penalty removed using that first-time abatement process that I've spoken about several times. So no guarantees on that, but he's going to end up paying somewhere between $35,000 and $42,000 that's legitimately due from the $121,700 that he originally owed. So that's pretty good, I think.